Hello there, digital enthusiasts. Welcome back to Skill Ful Solutions, the ultimate destination for all things tech and savvy. Today we're tackling a topic that's near and dear to many, how to change your name on Facebook. So, if you're ready to make a switch, stay tuned for this step-by-step guide that will have you navigating the Facebook name game like a pro. Before we dive in, let's quickly address why you might want to change your name on Facebook. It could be a recent life event, a fresh start, or just a desire to have your online persona better reflect of who you are. Now, let's uncover the secrets of making that change. Step 1. Accessing your Facebook settings. To kick things off, log in into your Facebook account. You know the drill. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right-hand corner. This is where the magic happens, as it leads you to your account settings on the top right corner. Step 2. Editing your name. In the account settings menu, you'll see a variety of options, but what we are interested in today is the personal information. Give it a click and there it is, the golden ticket to changing your name. Step 3. Make your changes. Time to shine. You'll spot your current name displayed and right beside it the option to edit. Just type in your new desired name, ensuring it adheres to Facebook's name policies. Step 4. Review and save. The moment of truth. Before you come in, Facebook gives you a nifty preview of how your new name will appear. Once you're satisfied, click Review Change. If everything looks perfect, go ahead and hit Save Changes. And there you have it, fellow digital explorers. The art of changing your name on Facebook demystified. Remember, you cannot change your name for 60 days after you change it once. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell for more tech-savvy insights. Changing your name on Facebook is a breeze, and it's all about ensuring that your online identity aligns with your real-life persona. But remember, Facebook had a few rules in place to maintain authenticity and security. Facebook wants to keep things authentic, so avoid using nicknames, symbols, unusual capitalization, or anything misleading. They're all about connecting real people in real way. Stay tuned for more skillful solutions to your digital dilemmas. Until next time, keep evolving and keep thriving.